Our contributing a sponsorship is Pack and Save Supermarket. No, sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, our second contestant, Miss Sherin Shivangani Lata. Texturing her sponsorship through Pehnawa. Our third contestant, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Tokasa Serau Kunandua. Supporting her sponsorship is Tara Supermarket. No, sorry. Our fourth contestant tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nancy Nitisha Sharma. She is kindly sponsored by Stop and Save Supermarket. No, sorry as well. Our fifth contestant, Miss Raina Nandini. Ladies and gentlemen, assembling her sponsorship is Nausori Town Council. Our sixth contestant is Miss Kesayale Saulala. Ladies and gentlemen, she is proudly sponsored by Tambara Plaza. Our last contestant for tonight is Miss Serena Maramandiri Butukula, and she is lively sponsored by Life Pharmacy.
Chairman of Vodafone Timbara Carnival and committee members, special administrators, management and staff of Nausori Town Council, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Polovinaka to everybody, and Nausori. Naka. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize, I had to come from the west, so it's taken just slightly extra time to actually get here, but I'm so happy to be here today. It gives me great pleasure to be here this evening for the crowning night of the week-long Vodafone Timbara Carnival 2022. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Nausori Town Council for reviving this particular carnival after a lapse of 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It's so good to see so many people out and about on a Saturday evening and such wonderful weather to help us celebrate. I'm actually told that the Timbara Carnival has been supported by both the community and the business houses of Nausori. And I want to say thank you to all of you. As citizens of this particular town, it's a collective responsibility to ensure this carnival becomes an annual and an eagerly awaited event for this township and those that are living nearby. So be proud to show that Nausori has the potential to draw such a lively audience, such as what we are witnessing tonight. Please take a huge round of applause for yourselves this evening. Thank you for turning out in such great numbers. Vodafone Timbara Carnival connects and actually brings a lot of people together from various walks of lives, ladies and gentlemen. We bring you together to actually enjoy and earn a living and of all to actually help raise funds for a good cause. The carnival also presents an income generating avenue for all our micro and small and medium enterprises who are selling various delicious foods for the community. Just a couple of days ago, I was across the street this week visiting many of our Fijian women crafters and artists from all over Fiji. And they actually made me dance for about 10 minutes whilst I was there. And these are contemporary crafts at the 2022 National Craft Exhibition. So it's actually pleasing to see many activities happening in Nausori simultaneously. This also, ladies and gentlemen, is a great platform for our youth to showcase their creative arts and talents through performances, through creative costumes and music. This year, the hard-working Carnival Committee has made a collective decision to utilize the funds raised for the Nosori Beautification Initiative, which is focused on the theme of, as mentioned earlier, clean, beautiful, and resilient community. And this is a theme, ladies and gentlemen, that fittingly is aligned with the Fijian government's national development plans and our sustainable development goals, specifically SDG 11, which is creating a vibrant, sustainable, and resilient towns and cities. Ladies and gentlemen, as a nation and as a country, we are building back a lot stronger. We have already recovered about 60% of our visitor numbers compared to about 2019. So there are a lot of opportunities for all of you to benefit from the tourism market too. And events such as this have the potential to become one of the things to do when visiting the Suva Nosori area. Nosori town, ladies and gentlemen, has actually evolved as a municipality with only 2 wards and approximately 4,000 population to 4 wards with extended boundaries now going beyond Korowau and a home to 3 provinces, Tailevu, Naitasiri, and Rewa. And we've got an estimated population of about 50,000 Fijians within that. We also are proud to say, and we anticipate further development in the residential and commercial areas in Nosori, especially around the Nakasi area, and boasting a new residential subdivisions, a police station, a fire station, new suburban shopping centers, and a market. The Nosori agriculture and tourism sector also is thriving, and we foresee further development and growth in that particular space as well. Ladies and gentlemen, to make Nosori a more vibrant and an attractive town to live in, to invest in, there is an urgent need also to invest and upgrade the public areas. So with inflation and stagnant revenue, we cannot just rely on the council to do it alone. It requires a collaborative and a partnership effort. And we can all lend a hand to create a clean and a beautiful and a resilient Nosori. We can start with simple steps and small steps, such as planting more trees or disposing our rubbish responsibly, lending hands to clean the hotspot areas, or monitoring and advocating all our fellow Fijians to stop littering, promoting and practicing recycling, reducing or reusing. It's actually very simple. It's your town. It's you. It is you, and it is where you actually live. So a clean Fiji, ladies and gentlemen, is not just the council or the government's responsibility. It is every citizen's responsibility. And the sooner that we take ownership of this particular fact, the sooner we will embark on a road to clean, beautiful, and resilient Fiji. Our can-do Fijian government, together with 13 municipalities and other government agencies and private sector and NGOs, are working tirelessly to keep clean and beautify and upgrade the existing facilities and public areas. And I'm actually delighted to see that once again, the Vodafone Tambara Carnival Committee has decided to join and help and beautify our towns. I'd also like to highlight, ladies and gentlemen, the need for reform in all township festivals. I've actually strongly recommended that good governance and accountability is established and maintained at all times. And in doing so, one of the strategies put in place is the establishment of a legislative framework that will serve as a key part of governance arrangements for the conduct of town and city festivals. I also want to take this opportunity to thank the Vodafone Tambara Carnival Committee 2022 for their collaboration and their hard work and sacrificing their personal time and resources for organizing this year's carnival. And you have yet again demonstrated your Nosori civic pride through your joint effort and actions. The Vodafone Tambara Carnival also provides a platform for the young and the beautiful Queen contestants to build their confidence and showcase their talents and advocate on issues that actually concern our nation, making a positive difference in our community and country. And to all the beautiful contestants, I'm sure that you'll enjoy this unforgettable journey and experience of networking and learning new things, and like all of us are excited to know about tonight's final results, as I know you all are. I must say, ladies and gentlemen, that being a contestant is an honor which you should embrace and value as a young woman who will carry this with you forever. You are all winners from the first day. You decided to be part of this year's carnival, and you have shown your patriotism through your charity work, and you will always be remembered for this. So I wish you all the best for tonight and also in your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, the carnival also gives an opportunities to some of our local vendors and SMEs to come and sell their produce and earn some income. This year I'm told that all the stalls and corporate booths are fully occupied, and that is absolutely wonderful news for everybody. My special gratitude also, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Vodafone Fiji Limited for their immense support and sponsorship. And Vodafone Fiji is actually the biggest contributor and has been sponsoring all major carnivals in Fiji, from Raki Raki in the Friendly North and the Timbara Carnival. Also, want to take this opportunity to say thank the Queen and the night sponsors, all of those who have actually toiled to make this event a success. Without your support, it would be a challenge to host a carnival of this particular magnitude. Last but not least, thank you all of you, for your presence and for your immense support for the good cause. And thank you for praying so hard for such good weather. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. It's either you or either I brought the good weather from the west. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I thank the Vodafone, the Council, the Timbara Carnival Committee, the Queen and night sponsors for your kind contribution. I know the weather wasn't in favor in the first couple of days, but it did not deter or dampen your carnival celebration spirit. Once again, thank you all for coming in numbers and supporting to help build a clean, beautiful, and resilient Nosori. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope the legacy will continue. I'm looking forward to many more carnivals as such in years to come. God bless all of you. Thank you very much for now, Alevu.
Vodafone Timbara Carnival 2022 goes to Miss Penawa Sharon Sivanjini Lata. Can we also ask the charity queen to please come forward for the crowning? Now we see the former queen taking her crown, and will be, there you go, the minister to put the new crown to the new Miss Vodafone Timbara Carnival 2022, Miss Penawa Sharon Sivanjini Lata.
Again.